If life has ever hit you so hard that your faith felt shattered, this one is for you. And here's the truth: faith doesn't disappear, it gets buried under pain. Rebuilding faith starts with honesty. God can handle your disappointment, He can handle your questions, and He definitely can handle your frustration. So, these are the few steps I want to share with you. Step 1: admit you're hurting. Healing begins with truth. Step 2: return to God in small ways. A short prayer, one scripture, a quiet moment, because faith grows in tiny, tiny doses. And step 3: remember what God has already done in your life for you to get this far in your life. Your past victories are evidence. They're evidence enough. And step 4: surround yourself with believers. Faith grows in the right environment. Step 5: let God heal the parts of you you're scared to revisit. Brokenness is not the end. Brokenness is the place God rebuilds strength. And in closing, I'd like to share this with you. Your faith isn't gone. It's just waiting to rise again. And with God, it always does.